Money does not respond to effort. It doesn't care how hard you work. It doesn't reward morality. And it doesn't move faster because you deserve it. That belief is the first trap. Most people don't lack intelligence. They lack a correct relationship with money. And as long as that relationship is wrong, money will never obey them. It will only visit briefly, then leave. Here's the uncomfortable truth. No one says out loud, most people are not poor because they lack income. They're poor because their mindset places them beneath money. They chase it, they justify it, they fear it, they explain themselves to it. That posture alone guarantees loss. Money, like people, responds to positioning, not desire. And if you don't understand that, you will always feel like you're running uphill. You've seen this before. Two people earn the same amount. One builds wealth quietly, the other stays stuck, stressed, and reactive. Same income, same opportunities, different internal command. This isn't about hustle, it's about authority. Most people were taught one fatal idea: money is something you earn. That sounds reasonable. It's also incomplete, because earning money does not give you control over it. You can earn something and still be owned by it. If money disappears the moment it arrives, you never possessed it, you hosted it. And hosts don't make rules. The illusion is this: people think money is a reward system. It's not. Money is a tool that moves toward leverage, always has been. It flows to structure, scale, control, predictability. Systems that outlive individuals, not to effort, not to emotion, not to fairness. If you treat money like a reward, it treats you like a worker. The first shift, from chasing to positioning. The first mindset shift is subtle but absolute. Stop asking, how do I make more money? Start asking, what position causes money to move toward me? This is where most people short circuit. They think positioning means image, flash, status. That's surface level. True positioning is structural. It's where you stand in relation to value creation, distribution, control of decisions, ownership of outcomes. Money obeys those who decide where it goes, not those who ask for it. This is why employees hit ceilings, not because they're incapable, but because their position is reactive by design. You cannot out-earn a structure designed to limit you. Why effort alone fails. Effort is expendable. Effort can be replaced. Effort can be outsourced. Effort can be automated. And money does not attach itself to what can be replaced. It attaches itself to constraints. The harder you work without leverage, the more clearly you signal that you are the tool. And tools don't accumulate wealth, they're used. This is why burnout is common among strivers. They are pushing without authority. Effort without leverage doesn't build wealth, it builds fatigue. The second shift, from income to control. Here's a line most people misunderstand. Focus on ownership. They hear assets. They think houses, stocks, crypto. But ownership is deeper than instruments. Ownership is control over outcomes. If your income depends on someone else's permission, you don't own it. If your money disappears through obligations you can't change, you don't control it. If your lifestyle forces constant earning just to maintain status, money owns you. The shift happens when you stop optimizing for income and start optimizing for command. Command over time, command over expenses, command over direction. Money follows command because command reduces chaos. Why money avoids emotional thinkers? Money avoids emotional environments, not because emotions are bad, but because emotions introduce unpredictability. Look at how most people treat money. They celebrate when it comes. They panic when it leaves. They justify bad decisions emotionally. They spend to regulate feelings. That tells money one thing: this environment is unstable, and money hates instability. Wealthy individuals are not emotionless. They are emotionally contained. They don't make decisions while charged. They don't confuse mood with strategy. Calm is leverage. The third shift, from spending to allocation. Poor and middle-class thinking frames spending as enjoyment. Wealthy thinking frames spending as allocation. That's not semantics. That's orientation. Allocation implies intention. Spending implies reaction. When you allocate, you ask, what does this money reinforce? What behavior does it lock in? What future does it purchase? When you spend emotionally, you ask, how do I feel right now? What do I want to escape? Money remembers how you treat it. If you use it to soothe discomfort, it learns you are dependent, and money does not obey dependence. Why lifestyle is the silent killer? Lifestyle is the most dangerous form of debt, not financial debt, psychological debt. A lifestyle that requires constant income removes your negotiating power. You can't say no. You can't slow down. You can't pivot. Money senses this immediately. When your life is expensive, your choices shrink. Wealth grows in low-pressure environments. This is why many high earners stay broke. Their lifestyle consumes their leverage. The fourth shift, from motion to strategy. Most people confuse movement with progress. They are busy. They are exhausted. They are always working on something, but motion without direction is noise. Strategy is quiet. Strategy removes unnecessary action. It simplifies. Money moves toward those who reduce friction, not those who glorify grind. The wealthy don't do more. They do less, better. They choose environments carefully. They eliminate decisions. They protect attention. Attention is upstream from money. Why time matters more than talent? Talent helps you earn. Time helps you compound, but only if you control it. If your time is fragmented, your financial growth will be too. Wealth requires long, uninterrupted thinking, not constant reaction. This is why the wealthy guard mornings, silence, and solitude. They are not luxuries, they are infrastructure. The fifth shift, from identity to instrument. This part unsettles people. Most stay poor because their identity is too rigid. They need to be seen a certain way. They protect ego over outcomes. Money doesn't care who you think you are. It responds to what works. The wealthy are flexible with identity. They become whatever the system requires. They don't romanticize struggle. They don't cling to narratives. They adapt. Identity is expensive when it's inflexible. The cost of ignorance. If you miss this shift, here's what happens. You earn more but feel poorer. You upgrade life but lose freedom. You work harder but feel behind. And eventually, you burn out. Not because money is evil, but because you never took authority over it. Money doesn't betray people, it exposes their structure. What changes once you understand the rule? Once the shift clicks, something quiet happens. You stop rushing. You stop forcing. You stop reacting. You become selective. Money starts arriving slower at first, but staying longer. You think in years, not paychecks. In systems, not wins. You don't talk about money emotionally. You talk about it operationally. That's when money starts listening. The governing principle, here it is. The principle everything folds into. Money obeys structure, not effort. Build structures where value flows through you. Decisions originate with you. Time compounds for you. Expenses remain subordinate. Emotions stay contained. Do that, and money stops being a problem. It becomes a function. This was never about greed, or hustle, or motivation. It was about posture. As long as you kneel to money, it will stand above you. When you stand calmly, build leverage, and remove desperation, money has no choice but to follow. Not because you asked, but because the structure demands it.